Good day everyone. I'm Jomari Corpuz, one of the proponents of Online Contractor Repair Services, and today I will show you all of our recommendations from our panelists.
First is the tip or donation. We created a button that can be found in the footer of our website, wherein if the user click the button, they will automatically redirect to the PayPal site that shows a form and the amount of how much they want to donate into our website. This is how it looks like. Second recommendation is daily reports and monthly reports of service provider. We created a form in the provider's dashboard that has a label daily earnings and monthly earnings. If the user click the button in the sidebar, it will show a graph that calculates all the earnings of the provider, both daily and monthly earnings. Next recommendation is customer reviews or rating to completed services. In customer reviews, after the provider completed the service, the customer can easily review the service by clicking the complete button in their status dashboard. After the user click the complete button, it will redirected to the review page wherein they can write all their comments in the text field and submit it. After they submit it, the comments can be found in the bottom part of the service view page. And for the last recommendation is the ads or advertisement. We put advertisement to our website, but it is still pending on Google and still need confirmation from them for us to display it on our website. However, this is the preview of the possible outcome of our advertisement once it is confirmed by Google. That's all. Thank you.